Hey guys, so I'm at Beacon today, and I was gonna do suspension testing, but after one lap down Bomber, that actually ended up being my fastest time. I got a PR on Strava, so after seeing that I decided I'd head up and do a lap down Zipper before the windstorm came. So, hope you guys enjoy. Howdy. Oh, thank you. Yeah, gonna head over and do Zipper. Just heads up, I might hit the GoPro because it's a bit low. This like, oh, this is just another way around it. Yeah, it's loose. Might be sorry to do this one. I need to like go over and clean that out. It's extremely loose. Well, it's luckily a pretty easy fix. That was bad on my part. Got a new dropper, and I will say, it's definitely noticeable. I'm not doing that line because there's a rock out there right now that, knowing me, I will most likely hit. Oh. Oh, that was weird. That section always feels a little harsh. Don't feel like going super fast because it's really windy. Every brake's feeling fine, but oh well. It is what it is.
section's always questionable for my part. I just launched a little rock. Oh, okay, this isn't too bad, luckily. I don't like this part. Oh. Right up here. One of these days I'll find the fastest line through there. But this is always an interesting one. Ooh, another hawk. Oh. Don't want to be in that heavy up here. Won't be able to pedal. My rear brake is going in a lot farther than my front brake. Feels scary, but still rideable. And the drop. You.